Hello, welcome to the review video for this ARCHEER power strip. As you can see, this is what the product looks like, and it comes in. This is the black color. This is the box it comes in, and here we see it says ARCHEER smart and fast USB charging ports, 3 ground outlets, and 3 USB ports. So one of them is 2 ampere, and the other two are 3 amperes. So these are some of the other features it has, and it also has overload protection. That's like a surge protection. So it's also a surge protector. So we're just gonna quickly open it to see what's inside. So this is the product, and this is like the instruction manual. So here's identification of parts, how to use, and note. And on this other side is instruction manual, product specification, and what's in the box. So properly open this. So this is what the power strip looks like. It does have the 2 ampere port right here and the 1 ampere ports right here. It does have stuff like a LED bulb here to maybe like indicators for these strips, and here the 2 ampere strip, they have this symbol right beside it telling you that is the port you use for charging things like tablets, iPad, Samsung Galaxy tabs, whatever tablets you're using. This is the port you use for that, because these 2 ports will not support a tablet but can support a phone. These can support phones and other smaller devices, like if you have a small power bank that you want to charge, you can use these. If you have a Bluetooth wireless earpiece you want to charge, you can use either of these. But this last one, the 2 ampere, is for charging your tablets. So these are the 3 grounded ports that you can use to plug any device, from laptops to whatever device you have you want to plug. And the cable length is also something else I really love, because I really hate those power strips that have really short cables, and that just drives me crazy. Because wait, if I'm using a power strip because I want to extend, so having something with a short strip, with a short cable, is really frustrating. So for me, this is a huge plus for this product, the cable length. To give an example of what I mean by power strips with short cables, is something like this. This is a really frustrating power cable. I know it's like maybe a cord set, but how far are you going to move this if you plug this into a power outlet? If I wanted to expand the grounded port for an outlet, I might as well get these to expand that, not that. So this is a very huge plus on my side. The fact that the cable is long, meaning that you can, have a power outlet on one side of the room and use this to plug things on the other side of the room. So I'm just going to quickly plug it in and use it to power a few devices, and let's see how it does. So for the purpose of this review, we'll be charging an iPhone 4S. We'll also be charging our power bank. This is a 10,000 mAh power bank, and we'll also be plugging and charging an iPad for a tablet. And also we will be plugging a diffuser to one of the grounded ports to see if it carries all of that at once. So let me extend the cable and plug that into a power outlet, and then we can get going. Plug in the various devices to the various ports. So it's plugged to an outlet, but before it works you have to actually turn it on. And having turned it on, we see the LED light flashes blue. So we know the power strip is on. So first and foremost, we're going to plug the iPhone 4S, and we're going to be plugging that to the 1 ampere USB port, and let's see if that charges the device. And there you have it, it's charging the device. Then we're going to plug to the second 1 ampere port and power the power bank, and it goes in this way, and that's it. It's charging right now, and it's at 0%. It's at 0% and it's charging right now, so we're going to leave that. And then finally, to the 2 ampere port, we're going to plug our iPad and see if they all can be carried by this power strip. Okay, so let's plug that in the iPad and see. Okay, there it is, 23%, it's charging. So it's charging all 3, and for the remaining part, we're going to plug in our diffuser. So this is our diffuser. It's one of the larger ones. So we're just going to plug this in to one of the grounded strips, and let's see if it actually works. So it's going to go in here. Okay, second port, and let's turn it on and see if it works. And there, the lights are coming on, and there, it's actually working. So there you see it's actually working. So it's powering 3 devices at once. It's charging the iPad, it's working the diffuser, and it's also powering the power bank and the phone. So there you see how much stuff you can do with this power strip. The only thing is that if you have a product with these kind of huge power charge heads, they do take up most of the space, so you have to be able to plug them in such a way that you maximize the space on the power strip. So with that being said, I give this product a 5-star because it does exactly what it says it will do. And for me, a bonus is the length of the cable. I really love the length of the cable because it lets you use this to its full capacity. So meaning that if you have a power outlets far away from you, you can use this to extend that and get more out of it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.